Hi, everyone. I am Neha Butcher. I am the co founder and CEO at Atom 11. We are an advanced ad automation software for Amazon sellers, brands, and agencies. Today, I'm going to be talking about an important and very interesting topic called Amazon Marketing Cloud or AMC. AMC is one of the most important and interesting launches that Amazon has rolled out in the last few years. The reason is simple. AMC gives you control and data at a level that was unimaginable just until a few years ago. What do I mean by that? Earlier, you used to bid on Amazon keywords and Amazon search terms that customers used to search for. Now you can directly target audiences at a much granular level to either increase your reach or improve your conversion, or whatever that is your objective is, find an audience that fulfills that objective and actually target them and know a lot more about your data, just because of the way Amazon Marketing Cloud has been built. Now, there are a lot of definitions on Amazon Marketing Cloud on the internet. If you go out, if you look at Amazon's own definition of Amazon Marketing Cloud, or just a few other content partners who have created content on it. But I've just felt that each of these definition is more complicated than the other. So I'm going to try and simplify what Amazon Marketing Cloud is. Think of a large Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, Amazon is giving you customer data. So think of every row on Excel sheet to be one customer that has interacted with either your products or your advertising. So these are all the customers who have interacted with your product or advertising in one way or the other. Now, these are the rows. What is there in the columns? Each column is the action that the customer has taken after interacting with your product or your ad. The action could be viewing your ad, clicking your ad, viewing your detail page, purchasing your product, viewing your detail page three more times, looking at something else or converting with someone else's product. But just every single action is available right there in that Excel sheet. One another important thing to know about this Excel sheet is that you don't have the customer personal information or PII information as it is called in Amazon. All this information is anonymized. So you will just see a customer ID or something like that, through which you are not able to identify who the customer is. So now you have an Excel sheet with rows filled with some anonymized customer data. And for each customer, you have exactly what actions they are taking after viewing your ad or after viewing your product for the next 28 days. Now, that that data in that Excel sheet is what Amazon Marketing Cloud database is. That's what Amazon is giving to you. Now, what do you do when you have a large amount of data in an Excel sheet? What do you do with that? I think the first thing that comes to my mind is that to analyze that data, I would probably be creating a lot of pivots, right? These pivots are AMC reports. How many customers are viewing my ad but not clicking on them? How many customers are clicking on my ad but not purchasing? How many customers are viewing my product page for three times but not purchasing? How many customers are viewing my DSP ads but not purchasing? How many ad customers are have bought from me in the last 3 months but have not visited my page ever since, right? Every single action can be grouped together in a cohort, and now you can study the size of these audiences, right? That is your reporting. The second thing that you can do with AMC is actually targeting these audiences. So what do you do with these reports, right? The ones that you have created with the pivots on Excel. Just knowing what is their size or how many of them are there won't really give you any actionability or any advantages. So, what Amazon has done, it has gone a step further and it has now given you the opportunity to actually target these audiences. You can target audiences who have seen your sponsored product ad but not your sponsored brand ads. You can target customers who have abandoned your cart. You can target customers who have seen your sponsored product ad but not clicked on it, right? You can actually start taking action on each one of these. So that's a little bit about Amazon Marketing Cloud. There's a lot of content that we are now creating, case studies that we are now creating on Amazon Marketing Cloud and its use cases. Do check us out on our blog post section of the website www.atom11.co/blogs. Or you can check us out on our YouTube channel where a lot of this content is also going to be posted. Until then, happy advertising.